All right, what's going on, guys? Today I got a fake Mishimoto aluminum radiator install. It's, I don't know the brand, it's like Black Horse Racing or something like that. It's the exact same mold as the Mishimoto one. It's like just not branded. So that's gonna be today's video. We're throwing this in the Miata. Hopefully that'll get rid of the overheating issue when I drift, so I don't have to pull off every 2 laps. So let's get started. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. This thing looks pretty good, honestly. I mean, it's just a radiator, so not much can be different from anyone. It's just aluminum, not much can change, but not too many fins are bent or anything, so that looks good. Hopefully it does a lot better than this piece of shit plastic one. So let's get to rip this thing out. All right, so the radiator is ready to come out. It's just 2 bolts, one right here, and then there's just those pins that hold it in down there. So then the whole thing lifts out. I got to drain it. I just jacked it up, so we're gonna drain it first, and then we're gonna pull it out. All right, so here's my junk radiator. Just gonna swap everything over. All you gotta do is swap these brackets and swap the fan, and then this little hose too, and that's about it. If you guys want to see how rusty my radiator was inside, that's terrible too. So yeah, we're gonna throw the new one in now. All right, so I just stripped everything off of that. You actually don't need to take these brackets off. You just take out the hardware that's in them. So you just put on the new rubber gasket and then this like kind of coupler piece inside there on the top ones, and then the bottoms have these pins right here that slide in. And this is where I noticed some little quality control issues. It's not entirely big enough, so I'm just gonna take a drill bit and make it a tiny bit bigger. It's just barely off, and I just want it to be a little bit smoother than it is. Like, I could get it in there, but I don't want to break anything. So we're just gonna drill that out, put the fan on, and it's ready to go in. All right, everything's on, fan's bolted up, got the pegs in, those rubber things in, radiator hose in. Let's just pop these caps off and throw it in. All right, it's all installed. Very easy install. You just put those pins in the little holders down there and then screw in the 2 ones on the sides, and that's about it. Just plug your fan in. I just got to figure out how I'm going to fit that intercooler piping in there now, but besides that, the radiator is in. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe.